This is a 2008 Dodge Challenger. It features a 6.1-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a sport suspension, a sunroof, heated front seats, a 14-speaker audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, big 20-inch wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, xenon headlights, a rear spoiler, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 2,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Akins Ford of Winder is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 220 West May Street in Winder.